Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to use 2048-bit DKIM keys. So firstly, you need to generate your 2048-bit DKIM key. So use an open source tool or a trusted DKIM service provider. Ensure that your domain's DNS provider supports 2048-bit keys and generate the public and private key pair securely, following best cryptographic practices, and store the private key securely and restrict access to authorized users only. So step number 2 is to publish the DKIM public key in DNS properly. Once you have generated your DKIM key pair, create a text record under your DKIM selector. Format the key properly to avoid errors in DNS propagation. Use tools like dig, NSLOOKUP, or online DKIM checkers to confirm that the public key is correctly published. Number 3, select multiple selectors for key rotation. Key rotation is a best practice for maintaining the security of your DKIM setup. By using multiple selectors, you can seamlessly transition from an old key to a new one without disrupting email authentication. Number 4, DKIM performance and compliance. Regular monitoring of DKIM signatures and authentication results is essential to maintain secure email environment. Step number 5, ensure compatibility with email services and providers. Some email providers and DNS providers may not support 2048-bit DKIM keys. So before implementing 2048-bit keys, confirm with your email provider that they support larger DKIM keys. Check DNS provider limitations regarding TXT record size. If your DNS provider has character limitations, split the public key to multiple chunks and use concatenation. Step number 6, secure your private DKIM key. Protecting the private DKIM key is as important as publishing the public key correctly. Integrate DKIM key with SPF and DMARC. DKIM works best when combined with SPF and DMARC. Test DMARC configurations regularly. After implementing DMARC, regularly test is necessary to confirm that your setup functions correctly. Educate your team on DKIM best practices. A common cause of email security breaches is human error. And lastly, work with a reliable DKIM service. Managing DKIM manually can be complex, especially for a large organization. That's it. Thanks for watching.